Hello everybody, Mind of Terror here, and today we're starting a new series where I reactivate animations and play them from this phone, recording with this phone, because I cannot install this app on this phone for some reason, and this is the 5th time I've actually reshooted the video because of interference. Some people don't understand that people have jobs to do. Anyway. Yeah, it's based on Trevor Hendersons' cartoon cat. So enjoy the vid. I'm kind of a noob, but, you know. Sorry guys, bit of interference, but I caught it this time, so no interruptions. Because every time I seem to shoot this video, something happens. A video in his house, I swear. Oops, sorry. Sorry if it went back a little too far. Like I said, every time I try and shoot this, something happens and it's super loud and it interferes with the video. So hopefully I can record this without any interference. Oh crap, it's paused. There we go. Finally, there's no interference in this. Because it's ridiculous when there's interference. She has to be so loud. No such thing as quiet in this house. Anyway, now that I was finally able to end the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications. This is Mind of Terror, and I am out of here.